Can an LLC purchase property? Yes, an LLC can purchase property, and many business owners and investors use this structure for liability protection. When property is owned by an LLC, lawsuits or debts related to the property are generally limited to the LLC's assets, helping shield your personal belongings like your home or savings. For example, a landlord might form separate LLCs for each rental property. If one property faces a lawsuit or foreclosure, the others remain protected. This structure also makes it easier to separate income and expenses for bookkeeping and taxes. The process is straightforward. The property deed is recorded under the LLC's name, and all transactions should go through the LLC's bank account. This ensures the property is legally tied to the business, not you personally. Zen Business can help you form an LLC and structure it properly to hold real estate. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.